You want to book more clients? This video is going to change your life. The about page, the contact page are coming together as one, and we're going to just merge them together. They're going to become roommates. And I want to thank the Drunk Wedding Photographer, one of the best wedding photography names, as a standout for these questions. Now, it's actually one comment that I think deserves to be two different videos. So this video is about merging two pages together to make it easier for your client, because pricing is psychology, selling is psychology. Your website is psychology for this client. And once you learn that, it's game over for you. No, actually, no, it's not game over for you. It's game over for your competition, because you're going to clean up and get every single client you can or that you wish. The Drunk Wedding Photographer left a comment about the about page, but he said, mind blown. The emoji said, I never thought about that. So I want to break this down for you, because I would really like for you to do it. At the same time, you're going to see my website that's still in development, but the about/contact page has been done. When you look at the home page, it says about/contact. There's a very important reason for that, and I'd like for you to follow my lead. When you click that, it takes you to my website here on the about page/contact page. The first thing that you see, hopefully the first thing that you see, is a video of me smiling, and it's saying click here, and I want you to find out about me. But the other thing is that you see a contact form right there below that. If a client found you on, let's just say, Instagram or YouTube or wherever, they're going to look and look and look and look. Keep in mind, they're competing against advertisement, they're competing against DMs, they're competing against notifications, you name it. And also they're seeing really low res images. So they decide, you know what, I really love this photographer. I really love this videographer. I'm going to go to their homepage. Step 2, not to even forget all the photos, back, forth, back page, all of their stories. Let me see this. Let me see their highlights. Let me see their reels. Let me see who they follow. Let me see what they like. It's a lot of work for a lot of lazy people. You and I, all of us, are lazy people. Who texted me? So after going back and forth, now they decide to do the ultimate back and forth and go to the link on your profile. If you have a link tree, you've added another step for these people. I have a link tree, so I'm guilty of that. But when you go there, then they're going to click, look through that, and then they're going to find the link to your website. If you don't have a website, don't even watch this video anymore. It's game over for you, okay? They go to your website and they go through gallery 1. And they see these beautiful images. And if you want to see what number of images I think you should have in a gallery and how you should design it, watch this video right here. You got to watch this video right here. It's a second part to this. So now they've gone through your first gallery. You've now taken them to your second gallery. And you know what? Some people are still skeptical, so they might have even gone to a third gallery. Now they're like, I think I'm pretty sold. Like, I like everything about this person. So then they go and they're like, well, let me find out about them. They go to your contact page and you write a story about when you picked up your camera. Nobody cares. About your dog. Nobody cares. About who gave you your first camera. Nobody cares. I care though deep down, but for this video, I don't care. What they care about is what I said in my other video. Again, that was right there and linked down below. Is that all of this is psychology. How can they look like a hero? How can they be the hero of that situation, their personal life or their professional life? Make them care. What's going to make them care? By adding a video the way I did. And in this video, I'm going to do one off the top of my head, okay? In this video, you're going to tell them why you are the answer. When they watch a video, they're probably doing this at the end of the day, laying in bed, sitting at a dinner table or on the couch. They've now let you into their private space, subconsciously, psychologically. Remember, selling and pricing is psychological. They have allowed you into their homes. No other channels are going to teach you this stuff the way Walid Azami teaches you this stuff. Let's just say they want to hire you professionally, and now to even get a meeting with this decision maker is hard to get into that office. But you got into that office with that video. But guess what? You didn't barge in. You didn't barge into their bedroom. You didn't barge into their living room or into their office. They voluntarily pressed play. And they broke that fourth wall, and they now allowed you into their space. Let me tell you why this is going to change the game for you and your bank account. Once I have allowed you into my private space, I trust you that much more. And that much more may not be a lot, but when you're neck and neck with competition, that much more is going to book you the job and put an extra $5,000 in your bank account. Actually, if you take my course, Step Pricing, which is linked down below, it's going to be an extra $8,000 to $10,000 in your bank account, because nobody has a pricing course that I have, and I say that very confidently, not cocky. STEP stands for, by the way, Secret to Easy Photography Pricing. The Steps series is an upcoming series where I take you up the steps of success. You're going to book a lot more money. Why? Because you just made a 90-second video? That's it? I could play mine, or you can just go to my website, check out my work, and hear the video, because I'd rather do something live for you on the spot to show you how easy this is. Hey, my name is Walid. I am, as you know, a travel photographer for some of the most beautiful weddings in the world. Now, you don't have much time, so I'm going to get right to it. The reason why I love my clients, the reason why I love being a wedding photographer that travels, is because as a child, I understood the beauty of traveling. My parents and I traveled a lot, and they taught me about the different cultures of the world. They taught me how to respect the different cultures. They taught me how to respect the different cultures and customs and people and religions and all different kinds of people. And I haven't forgotten that, because that has been in my formative years. Damn, I'm good. And so now that has formed the person that is sitting in front of you right now. I love culture. I love families. I love travel. And I respect it, and I know how to move around, and I know how to engage with people of mixed cultural backgrounds, mixed religious backgrounds. I know how to deal with the elderly as different cultures do, and I know how to deal with the young. I know the customs, whether you are Jewish or Muslim, Christian, Buddhist, or non-denominational. I also want to tell you that photography has been a passion of mine. The idea that I get to travel and be a part of someone's happiest day, and I get to travel, I am going to do the best, because I know that I won the lottery. And the idea of traveling for work is a dream come true. The idea with working with clients like yourself who understand the beauty of the world is a dream come true. Also, I don't want to brag too much, but having traveled so much, I have probably been to the location that you want to get married at. I know the secret spots. I love travel so much, I research the secret spots, the best photogenic spots, the ins and outs. I know that. I'm obsessed with all the YouTube channels. So when you work with someone like me, you work with someone that is there because they love the travel, they love the opportunity, and they love what they can give you. That feeling of joy that I got as a child traveling with my family, I want to make sure that we tell that story, but it's your story about your wedding. I mean, that's on the spot, you guys. You don't have to do much. But what I just told this potential client is this: I'm damn good. I know travel. I know cultures. I know religions. I know how to move in and out of a party. I know how to look for things. I'm going to give you the best. I'm going to find you spots you don't even know about, because I have done the research for it, because I love this. And I love couples like you that love to travel. You can tell a little bit about yourself, but it's all how they're going to win, how they're going to become the hero. Do you understand what I mean by psychology? So the drunk wedding photographer, psychologically, you're telling people you're lighthearted, you funny, you like to have fun, and you're going to attract the right clients. That's psychology. I want people to look at you as this person is easy to work with. Not I have to hop to this page, then to that page, then to this page, then to that page, then to this page, then to that page. If you want to know how to charge for these types of weddings, Step Pricing is going to change your life. Now, you want to know how to make the most amount of money when you book these clients, because it is psychology, but so is the selling part. And what is that about? Step is linked down below. My Discord of a private community, so it's a safe space that you can learn from me, is linked down below. You think this was good? You wait until you see the stuff I'm going to teach you. You want me to answer your questions? Go ahead and leave comments, like the drunk wedding photographer. I love that name. Leave comments. If I think that comment is going to be beneficial for the rest of the community, I'm absolutely going to make a video of it to help you and help everybody else. If you have questions about this, put it in the comments. I'll read it. I will answer it. My name is Walid Azami. This is my work up here, and thank you so much.